Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix only one earbud is working on your headphones Skullcandy Grind. Firstly, we should make a hard reset. To make soft reset. To make a soft reset, just close the case and we should see not connected right here. If you can't see it, just open the case and close it again. Now we can see it, so open the case and it should connecting. If it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, turn off your Bluetooth, then remove your headphones from the charging case and press and hold on just right earbud for at least 3 seconds. We can see this flashing light, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now turn on the Bluetooth, then click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. And now if you have Android, click pair new device and click on Skullcandy Grind, on your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.